Our profession is really good at what we do because we've been doing it for a long time. And we've had lots of practice, and we've got lots of codes and standards and precedents that we follow in order to do a good job of it. And that works as long as nothing changes. And our profession right now is at a point where things are likely going to change pretty significantly. So what we're trying to do is as much as possible get our profession a little bit out in front of all those changes so we can prepare for them and we can be leaders. And the summit is an opportunity to bring together leaders who are thinking about these problems, who have the skill sets to be able to do something about solving these problems.
The next decade belongs to those who have the willingness to step outside their comfort zone. The future is not going to need better experts. It's going to need people who are willing to cross boundaries. Going deeper into our own fields does not actually allow us to innovate. Instead, we have to go across.
Your imagination is going to be brought to life in a way that was never possible before.
The purpose of the summit is to provide an opportunity for people to talk and to think. An example of a tangible outcome might be that we come up with a set of grand challenges that civil, architectural, and environmental engineering is going to need to tackle in the next 10 years or the next 50 years.
What we're doing is a laboratory for how we evolve, and it requires us to use design, science, engineering, artificial and human intelligence to pull together all of the experts that we can.
On what you said about collaboration and bringing people from different disciplines together, we hear that occasionally, and we heard it here, but we actually experienced it here. In 2 days or a day and a half, it felt like we were solving problems. And so I know a lot of people think about collaboration and multi-disciplinary activities taking a lot of time to set up, time to reach common ground or have the same language. But we got there in a day and a half.
It's not a grand challenge, it's a grand collaboration.
We need to experiment with this. We need to really transcend from classic engineering to really cross-domain experts, consultants in its systems design. I think that is what the moment, that is what history is calling for. And I saw it today and yesterday.
I have a lot of excitement for the future of civil, architectural, and environmental engineering because what we do for society is big and it's impactful. And if you want to impact the world, if you can provide water for civilization everywhere for all 9 billion people, that's incredibly impactful. If you can provide power for all of civilization, that's incredibly impactful. So what we do is big, and it's big in that it has a big effect on people, and I'm really excited about that opportunity to have that big effect on society.